An interesting day in court today in the Senzo Meyiwa trial as accused number 1 secures NGOMEZULU as his private lawyer, as we hear in court that legal aid is refusing to pay NGOMEZULU for the work that he has done to date. It is not clear why they are not going to pay him. In my opinion, that is really unfortunate because he has done the work. But Asikolapo, let's break down why. I think this is a very, very great strategy that accused number 1 has employed. I guess, with all the testimonies from the witnesses, the kinindas and everything that was going on, that he did not think the court was going to exclude their testimonies and therefore secured NGOMEZULU privately. Okay, stay with me. And therefore, by securing him privately, can now ask the court to reopen his case, because had he not secured him privately, then it's going to be, we've already discussed this, as Baloyi tried to interject saying, hey, what are we on about? What are we going on about? This has never been mentioned. You can bring those witnesses during the main trial, but for the trial within the trial, we need to proceed with the closings today. But shockingly, Judge Rata says, no problem. I'll grant you that postponement. And as well, you will be able to call upon those witnesses. Okay, Rata, that's a change in heart. But Sibiya is, I wonder what those testimonies are going to be. Well, what the witnesses are going to bring forward, because this is an interesting strategy. And yeah, comment below if you know why legal aid is not paying NGOMEZULU. I might have missed that completely, but this is a definite turn of events. Of course, this increases the time that it will take to get back to the trial, the actual trial. Yeah, very, very interesting. But comment below. And while we're talking about commenting below, remember, it is absolutely free to comment on this channel. It is free to subscribe to this channel. It is definitely free to like this video. So I see a pattern where, wow, guys, thanks for the support in our last video. Over 40,000 views, but under 200 likes. Please like the video. Just tap that like button. It absolutely helps with our channel, and it helps so that our videos are broadcasted further than just within our subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, guys. So please stay tuned for the rest of my commentary. I want to insert that clip here, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
I cannot involve myself in the matter if I am not going to be paid. So the final decision that I've made, my Lord, was on Friday when it was confirmed, when I confirmed with legal aid that they will not pay me. My Lord, I'm not finished with my heads. Number 2, prior to that, there was a discussion between my colleagues as per the instruction of Mr. Sibiya, that there are certain witnesses that he intended to call. And now this instruction as it stands, he instructs me that I must bring an application to reopen the defense case on his behalf and call the witnesses that he intends to.
How many witnesses are there?
My Lord, according to the instruction and the discussion that we had, it relates to the officers from the SAPS, and was told that they have to be subpoenaed. But I indicated to those witnesses when I consulted with them that they can't wait for 14 days to be subpoenaed at any given stage this week, if the court may so direct that they may come to court and give evidence.
Who are those witnesses, Mr. NGOMEZULU? You're telling me about SAPS. What is it?
My Lord, in this case, we've got Colonel Lishabane.
Right.
We've got General Sibiya.
Right.
We've got Warrant Officer Makhubo.
There are 3.
There are 3.
They are all within the SAP.
That's correct.
South African Police.
That's correct.
So Mzansi, the case within a case just got really, really interesting. So NGOMEZULU wants to call the following witnesses to the stand. That is Colonel Leshabane, General Sibiya, and Warrant Officer Makhubo. Now, if you remember who Makhubo is, go ahead and type it in the comment section down below. But if you don't already know, I'm going to let you know. Warrant Officer Makhubo, and I hope he's the first one called to the stand, is the one who is in charge of case 375. Which is case 375, you ask? So let me go ahead and read this so that I don't misquote anyone. And this is from an online publication. It says, a good cop's life is in danger after uncovering lies and cover-ups relating to the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. The Hawks detective, Warrant Officer Makhubo, was charged after he had opened the now notorious second docket for defeating the ends of justice in the Senzo Meyiwa murder case. This is one of the many malicious prosecutions brought against competent SAPS members in the past 3 decades. Remember that docket 375 implicates the people that were in the house. Which people in the house? Kelly Khumalo, Zanda Khumalo, Longwe. That's the docket that implicates those guys and not the ones who are presently in the dock. Even though they are Nkabis and they have their own past transgressions, they maintain that they had nothing to do with the Senzo Meyiwa trial. And now, Mr. Docket 375, Warrant Officer Makhubo, is now being called to the stand as a witness. This is an absolute turn of events, and it's actually shocking that Rata has allowed this within a trial. So it sounds like now it's going to be a mishmash salad 7-course meal of, there's going to be beetroot, there's going to be the potato salad. Everything is now going in the pot because accused number 1 said, not on my watch. I'm bringing everything to the forefront because I'm not going down for a crime I didn't commit. That's it from us. Mzansi, what are your thoughts on this development? The good news is we don't have to wait months for this to play out. It's actually happening it's actually happening on Wednesday. We just have to have one day in between and we're back in the court, in the Pretoria High Court. Wow, this is interesting. And as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It absolutely helps our channel grow because Ubuntu, Ngabantu, and I need you to grow this channel with me. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll definitely catch you on our next upload.